As our Outback Organics community is growing, I wanted to introduce myself. I'm Claire Pryor. I am the lead trainer for Outback Organics and I'm here at our academy in Somerset. I wanted to highlight some of the fabulous courses I run here for waxing. So we do offer the male and female intimate wax accreditations, but I also run specific workshops that help qualified wax technicians evolve their skills. So advanced workshops in areas that you might be finding your confidence isn't there right now, or your timing is not where you need it to be. But the workshops are tailor-made for who joins them. So any body and facial waxing, that's what we're going to work on. If logistically the academy here in Wellington isn't accessible for you, we can organise, if necessary, a Zoom call just so that I can go over and spend some time with you on product and waxes to make sure that you are getting the best use out of them. If you've got any queries on any of our training, please contact one of our team here at the office in Somerset on 01823 663322 or drop us an email.